How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and head towards three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom, tap Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings option. Scroll down. On the Preferences section, tap Media. Now choose Video and Photo Settings section and make sure that you have toggled the button on for sounds in the app. Once you have done that, your Facebook video no sound problem will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.